How to enable camera on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable camera on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So if your camera is disabled for some reason and it does not even appear on the home screen, and if it does and still does not work, what you might want to do is head over to your settings. So locate your settings app and open it up. On your settings app, scroll down and there you should find privacy and security. Tap on that. Now from here, head over to camera. So search for the camera option and then open it up. Now here, for the app which is in which the camera is not working, just locate the app and then toggle the button on like this. After you toggle the button on, the camera feature or permission for the app to use the camera should be on and it should work just fine. After that, if it still does not work, what you might want to do is reinstall the app if the app is the one that's giving you the issue. Finally, what you can do is you can always come back to the settings, and in case you don't have the camera app altogether, there might be a problem in your content and privacy restrictions. So scroll down, go to screen time on your settings, tap on screen time, and on your screen time, scroll down, there you'll find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on content and privacy restrictions, and there you'll find different options. And what you'll need to do is head over to allowed apps and features. Tap on allowed apps and features and make sure that you've toggled on the feature for camera. If it's already turned on, turn it off and then turn it back on. Doing that, after some time, the camera app should appear and you should be good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.